Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Ionic, and I'm gonna show you how to set up an alarm on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the button on the left, like this. Then swipe left on the screen to open the menu, and here we have alarms option. Tap on it, and here select new alarm, like this. And now we can tap on the hour right here to set the hour, basically the hour when the alarm is gonna ring, and we can swipe up and down on the hours right here to change them. Then minutes, also swipe up and down, and finally select AM or PM like this. And once you're done, press the left button to go back, like that. Now we can enable it or disable it by tapping on or off. Then you can scroll down and we have more options. We have option called Smart Wake, and you can enable it by tapping the box next to it. Basically, this option is what it does is gonna avoid to waking you up when you're in the deep sleep mode, or other phase of your sleep, my bad. And it's gonna try to avoid waking you up basically. And you can enable it or disable it. Of course, you can also scroll even more down, and here you can select on which days the alarm is gonna be active. You have options like every day, Sunday, Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and you can select any days you like by tapping the boxes like this. And once you're done, simply press the left button to go back, and here we have our alarm. It's gonna be only ringing at 10:38 AM on Saturdays. You can add new alarm if you want to, and you can also remove the alarms or edit them by tapping on the existing alarm like this. And you can edit it or remove it by scrolling all the way down, and here you have remove option like that. Then tap remove, and as you can see, the alarm is gone. And that's how you set up an alarm on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.